All right, this is where it's at if you have a terrible sore throat or if you have a cough that you just cannot kick. Those coughs really destroy your throat, and that makes you keep coughing. So I once went to a doctor when I had a terrible cough, and they said the thing to get you better is just to stop coughing. Okay, how do you do that? You have to take something like this to soothe your throat and to calm your throat down, and so your throat can heal a little bit so that you stop coughing. I love this throat coat. It's so great. The key of it is this slippery elm. If you haven't heard of that before, this is amazing. You're gonna love it. So it's just an herbal powder. It comes with a bunch of these little packets. So they're serving sized already. And it says to mix it with 8 ounces of boiled water. So it's just like a nice warm drink on your throat. I love sipping this, and right before bed. It has no caffeine in it, so it's not gonna wake you up. It has a really great taste. And this is literally the only thing that got me through coughing season when I was terribly sick. So it says so you cover it up and you're gonna just sip on it. And it has a little bit, it's really great if you wanna add a little bit of honey to it, because that honey also just like seals all those scratches in your throat. So if you are in desperate need and you cannot figure out what to do, look no further. You're gonna love this stuff. It will seriously be your favorite.